Hi, welcome back to this series of coding or trying to code every day. And this is the today's problem. And I haven't solved it, I haven't seen the solutions. It's a pretty or a fairly easy problem. So, we just need to check count subarrays of length 3 within a condition. So, subarrays are like a consecutive part of an array, and they're just basically asking us to how many subarrays are there such that there is this condition or first and last, which is like 1 and 1 here. Their sum is equal to half of the second one or the middle digit. We just need to return how many subarrays are there, like that. So even if you consider here, this is only possibility. 1 plus 1 is 2, and it is equals to half of 4, which is 4 by 2, right? So we just written 1 as the answer, and here there is no probability or possibility of such an subarray. So this is also a sliding window problem. uh, so is saying num set I is going to be 100 to 100. am actually thinking of having a three like three. I'll first have like an output to be 0, and then A, B and C, and they are going to be minus 1000 and minus 1000 and minus 1000. I chose minus 1000 because it's not in the range, right? So this will help me to decide whether I have included the value from nums into this particular variables or not. So I will loop through the array and val in range of nums. So if I will have three statements here, because it's okay if a is equals to minus 1000, then we are still in the beginning, right? So I'm going to a is equals to val, and then if b is equals to minus 1000, then I haven't yet updated b equals to val. Then if c okay, whatever, if c is equals to minus 1000, then I have to update c is equals to 1. So once it is done, it means we have at least have like 3 elements with us, right? So if and if that's not the case, then if if a plus b is equals to b by 2, it should be a plus c, first and last one, right? So a plus c equals to b by 2, then we have a solution. So, and I need to update a no actually acha I don't need like a separate variables. I can just play with the index values here. So let's just do that. That's a much cleaner approach, to be honest. So I'm only concerned about idx here, right? I don't need these values. So I'm just saying like if idx, is it at least idx minus 2, right? The left one. If idx minus 2 is at least greater than or equals to 0, then I'm okay to perform this logic. Otherwise it will be out of I will have a range error. So if idx minus 2 is at least greater than or equals to 0, then I will check, I can check. And num set idx, the current one, plus num set idx minus 2, that one, is it equals to num set idx minus 1 divided by 2. Then in this case we just increase there, and I have to return the out. So that would be the answer, I guess. Oh, it's a wrong answer. Seriously, why? Expected output is 2. Set idx minus 2 and idx. I don't know why this did not succeed. Minus 1 minus 1, it is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1, it is minus 2, and minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 4. Okay, I think there was a problem here. So here like minus 4 and 4 is 0, right? Okay, then again minus 1 by 2 is taken as 0, but it is not or else we can just do like this, because minus 1 divided by 2, it will consider it as 0. That's the reason we got 2 as output, but minus 1 by 2 is not 0. So either I think I should take like the absolute value, or float 64. I am not sure. I will take it as a value, and float 64. I think this is just a downcasting or casting it to a particular type. So let's check if this will I will do a much simpler approach of multiplying it with the 2, because I will not have to divide, right? Is 0 and okay, let's see this. Yeah, you understood what happened now. So here minus 4 and 4 will be 0, and 0 multiplied by 2 is still 0, and but I have the middle one as minus 1 in that edge case. So that's the reason this succeeded. We can make the previous version to work as well, but I think I need to have a precision. I probably should be doing on float 64, not on an int, because 1 by 2 is considered as 0, but it 1 by 2, but it should be 0.5. Whatever, this is the solution, guys. Thank you. I mean, we did it somehow, but let's see one or two solutions. I want something to do with Golang. I don't know why it doesn't have any Golang. Okay, yes. So ij length of nums. Okay, why ij for count. I mean, this is actually complicated. Ours is way better, don't you think? So let's say some. I mean, this is not a good solution. What is the code? he's doing from left. He did this as well, so it will be obvious. Anyway, thanks. We somehow solved this, and yeah. So to make this loop right to a bit better, we can do something like little. So for I 0, let's start from 2. Why? Because if it is at least 2, then we have like previous, which is I minus 1, and the first, which is I minus 2, like so. So if I and I less than length of nums and I plus plus, so here I don't have to check this condition, and the above condition will still stay the same. Yeah. Yeah, it should not be, it should be I, and let's see why. The fucker, I don't know why. And it accepted, but I don't know why it's not coming. The test result is not coming here. So whatever, this is what we got. Somehow we managed. Bye bye.